Are you the one who is stuck in the process of improvising your code scripts? Desklib's Code Checker is here for your rescue. Head over to desklib.com, where you'll find a variety of AI tools, each unique in its own way. Click on AI Code Checker and you'll be navigated to the Tools page. Start by uploading your assignment file. Desklib supports multiple file types for your ease. Select your preferred programming language, upload your code files and hit Submit. Desklib's AI Code Checker will begin analyzing your code for syntax, logic, and overall completeness. In just a few moments, you'll have the results. Here's the exciting part: a detailed evaluation report. The report includes feedback on your code's performance, areas for improvement, and even scores to help you understand where you stand. Want to refine your code further? The tool provides actionable suggestions to help you polish your programming skills. And there's more. On the right panel, you'll find a clear view of all your uploaded files, giving you full control over the process. Ready to finalize your assignment? Just download the report in your desired format, and you'll have a ready-to-submit document that meets all your academic requirements. Seems you are ready to ace your coding assignments. Just head on desklib.com to get started.